Hey guys, what's happening? How to change your Facebook password without WhatsApp code. Click the menu at the bottom right and then scroll a little bit down to log out. Just go ahead and log out, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and use another profile and then hit forgot password. Search via mobile number or email, right? And they will send you an SMS notifications from Facebook for security and login purposes. If you used your phone number, you will get a WhatsApp message, but if you use email instead, you're gonna be able to receive an SMS message. So search by email and they will send you SMS message or an email sending you the code and then adding the code so you can add your new password. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.